Okay, today the first batch of the new FM transmitter, the Gizmo Guy 5th generation transmitter finally came in. This is the first batch. The DHL just delivered it, so we're gonna open it up and see what we got here. This is only the sample, so it's not everything. So let's see, can I open this thing? Just open from here. So we got one, two, three, four, two, four, 6, 8, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got 12 in this box that just came with DHL. This is a sample that we just got from China of the Gizmo Guy 5th generation of the Gizmo Guy Gadget. So here it is.